beautiful things once if you're live. I don't know whether we are live or not. But if we are live, then please check out these beautiful collection. Okay, so Karuna is already saying hi. Wow. Karuna Thapan and Karuna Patle both are live. So hi guys. I'll just move this beautiful tray away and I'll call the guy behind this tray. The man behind. Hi Tarun.
Hi, good morning.
I'm sorry we went live before time.
Oh, no problem.
So Natasha, come in closer. So guys, guide us for the frame. Are we all visible? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay, so sorry, I suppose technical issue that we went live first. Hello Unimall, hello Worksquare team. We are live again, and this time we are bringing you a very unique brand. This is a brand which is coming along with the adventurous story of a co-founder couple. So I feel you're excited to hear this story because I was when I heard it for the first time. So before I really go to the story and talk about it, I would like to talk about Worksquare, the Know the Brand Square a little more. Every month you meet us with a different brand. Like last month we met Sepalika, which was a research-backed health and dietary supplement company, and we had a wonderful conversations with them. In like I suppose in 8 hours we touched around 20,000 views. So that's it. You guys loved it. And today we have a very interesting couple in here who are coming in ahead with a beautiful brand called Sara. Okay, and Sara with a T. Okay, so T-S-A-R-A. You can see it in the wall copy post. And with me I have Tarun and Natasha Jagwani. So welcome guys, welcome to the 3rd edition of Brand Square.
Thank you so much.
And we're very excited because I'm wearing one of your collection, and I suppose all my friends are wearing the same. And Natasha, you are wearing it from your collection as well.
I'm wearing the classic range.
This is the classic range, and what about this one?
You're wearing the Pret.
This is a Pret one. Okay, so guys, I know you're quite excited because all our mothers love the jewelry. Neha is saying it's beautiful. Yes, Neha, quite affordable. I'll come on that later. Hi Vaishali, you like it? Yeah, it's beautiful design. Yeah. Hi Savita. You all are looking very pretty. Thank you. You want to wear the same. Okay, so amazing. So now I have Tarun with me and Natasha, and before I really, talk about the amazing story you guys have behind this brand. Natasha, you've been working out of Worksquare, which is like my favorite co-working space, and I suppose we all have been talking about Worksquare a lot many times.
Yes.
What has been your experience working out of this
I
space?
love Worksquare. The first time I saw this place, I was in love with it.
Okay.
This is a co-sharing place with a lot of startups
Okay.
and a lot of different people. So
Yeah.
that's what I loved about it. We had another office, a standalone, but it was very monotonous and very boring, and we didn't feel like going to work. But here, I feel like coming to work every
Wow.
day.
You even want to dress up and come.
Yes, because I don't know who's catching me with my jewelry and who wants to buy it. So there's so many people here. There's so much more fun. There are lots of other activities that happen in the week. They have even yummy food from time to time.
Okay.
And
I
we get a
love
lot of
the canteen
discounts.
pasta
Yes,
also.
and we get a lot of discounts also on our
Okay.
food.
Okay.
But otherwise, the people are really nice.
Yeah.
Everything works in our favor, as well as we just enjoy the experience.
And I suppose,
So-
see, I feel they have very competitive pricing also
Yes.
as compared to other co-working
Yes.
spaces. Because even if we have our own standalone office, there are a lot of, I would say, expenses, a lot of,
True.
heads which can't be running.
If I may, one of the advantages that we really liked about it was the community aspect about it. The ability for us to get to meet and interact with different people, that was fantastic. We met our marketing team from here. We got introduced to you guys
Wow.
through the entire community. That's something that we wouldn't have got if we had our own office.
sure,
The
I'm
idea
sure.
of collaborating in today's internet world is
Very,
the
very
future.
crucial.
That
Very
became,
crucial.
that was like our tipping point. That's where we said, yep, this is it. Like, this is a good
Amazing.
space for us.
So I suppose, I just talked about Worksquare because last time a lot of my mothers were asking me about it, and I thought what better than coming from a customer who's been with them for quite some time now. How long?
7 months.
Yep.
7 months. So amazing 7 months. And now, without wasting even a millisecond more, I would like to come on the story, Tarun. This story which is, I suppose, everyone's favorite now. Whoever has known about the brand Sara knows about this story
Yes.
now, and it's a beautiful story
Yes.
behind the conceptualization of the brand. So can you share it with our viewers?
Yes.
also?
So Natasha and me got married in 2010, and 6 months into our marriage, we went for a friend's, very close friend's wedding. It was a destination wedding at Udaipur. Beautiful location, amazing property. Like there was nothing that was left unturned. Everything was beautiful. We danced away in the Sangeet, and at about 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock at night, when we finally get to the room, sort of over-partied and underslept, we realized while Natasha was taking out her bangles that one of her gold bangles was missing. Like,
Oops.
2 o'clock at night, drama broke
And
down.
you told me it was given by your
Yes, it was
mother-in-law.
mother-in-law.
Very patriotic.
Yeah. So, I mean, what type of Bahurani am I? Dialogues were going out, flashlights came out, started looking for it, but we couldn't find the product. And ultimately, when Natasha came home and we were discussing with my mom, and I at that point was like, you know what, we are third generation, I'm a third generation gold and diamond jeweler. Let's not stress too much about it. Let's just, it's sort of financial loss, it's a big financial loss, but we'll sort of work around it, we can replicate it and move forward.
Okay.
By the way, my mother-in-law still doesn't know about it, so I lost.
Is
So-
it?
So
Because you
then
made a
I
copy.
we made it.
I made
And
one
then
for-
And it was possible because you are
because I'm from the
jeweler
jeweler
family.
family.
Yes.
Yes.
And we finally, she came up with the idea and of how do we make jewelry, because we were amongst our friends one of the first few to get married. So she said, we've got lots more friends, probably lots more destination weddings.
Yeah.
So I can't take that risk anymore. That stress was getting to her too much. So she came up with the idea of why not replace all the expensive products and
Okay.
expensive materials with less expensive but zero compromise on look. That was a given. Like, we didn't want to be.
That's why I see your jewelry looks very expensive.
Yes, yes.
It's very classy. It doesn't really look like those cheap jewelry you get on
Yes,
affordable rate.
that's-
And at the same time, it's affordable. Like
Yes.
that's a beautiful USP you have.
That's our strong point, because
Yes,
the fact that we're a third generation gold and diamond jeweler, we use that expertise to the jewelry.
Beautiful.
We're only replacing the very expensive products. We replace silver with the gold with silver and diamonds with cubic zirconia, semi-precious stones, and
So why don't you show something, Tarun, to our viewers? If
I'll
you
show
can-
you this. So
Yeah,
this
you
is
can
one of
talk about
our favorite pieces, if you may. That's a detachable jhumka. It's got hydro rubies, shell pearls made in silver and cubic zirconias, but you wearing it at a wedding would not tell
Anyone that you're wearing
Anyone
a
is not,
as a jeweler, you would not be able to tell from a couple of feet distance. I mean, if I
Yeah.
bring out all the
And I
equipment
suppose
and
the
say,
commoner would never ever know about it.
that's the sort of strength behind it.
Lovely.
And that's the reasons why we got into this. We used our strengths to work around it, and we wanted to work around and relieving the stress that women face on a daily basis. One obviously is the financials. The second is the fact that even when Natasha buys gold and diamond jewelry, it sort of sits in the locker.
Yeah,
Another
it's more of an
thing.
investment nowadays
Yes.
rather than
Yes.
And this is more of a
wearability is quite-
changing fashion. I can change it every day, or I can even carry it, and I have no stress when I'm
Yeah,
traveling.
and nowadays what's in vogue is more Indo-Western thing. And with that, our gold jewelries don't really. go
And the
well.
other thing is when you're traveling, there's a lot of customs. You have to declare your jewelry, you have to take real
yeah,
jewelry,
yeah.
like
Especially for
gold and
destination
diamonds.
weddings
Yes.
and all. Oh,
So this
yeah.
is in 1 lakh. That's you have a thing of 1 lakh till you can carry, like Dubai and Thailand, only till 1 lakh ornaments you can
Correct,
carry.
correct.
But
That's
this you can
upper
carry
limit.
20 of them, and or 10 of them
That will pass
in
it.
that range.
Wow. So
So-
good tip. And I love the bracelet there. If you can pass it on to me, Natasha, the one I asked you to show our viewers. 1 second, I'll help you. Okay. Lovely. Okay. So guys, I wanted to show you all the pieces what I felt were very beautiful. So Natasha, this one I loved it, and I suppose peacock is evergreen. It goes with all kind of
This is the Indian motif.
Yeah.
So it's a traditional piece with enamel, silver, with gold polish, and with a semi-precious
It
stone.
must be very, very expensive, right, Natasha?
No, it's not very expensive.
No. So how much
Only
is it?
15,000.
What are you saying?
Yes.
And this is in silver.
Yes, silver.
Wow. And semi-precious stones.
Yes.
So guys, it's just 15,000. And I feel this is quite affordable, Natasha, and it looks very classy.
Yes.
And I loved one more piece. Yeah, this one.
So this is also a traditional loose bracelet.
Show it on your hand, then look better.
You can even wear
She has
it.
these beautiful wrists, and she's wearing it on a plain white shirt.
White.
And it's looking very classy. Okay. And what exactly is this line and what?
So this is again the traditional line
Okay.
with like traditional colors, pearls, carved stone, which gives you a very traditional look.
Okay.
But you can carry it off with a white shirt, and it'll give you.
And how much is this for?
This is for 7,500.
Oh my god, this is amazing. So guys, I suppose we all buy these artificial gem jewelry in this range, and you're getting something very, very precious. And at the same time, I'm seeing it by my eyes. It looks very classy. Nobody can say that this is not real diamonds. It looks classy. You like it? Yes? Simran, yeah, you like it, right? She's saying this is amazing and tempting as well. Falguni is saying it's fabulous to be able to stay at home and know more about these kind of brands. Worksquare is an amazing idea of a co-working space. Can't wait to explore about Sarah. Okay, so you also love jewelry. I'm sure we all love jewelry. Okay, so all the women, beautiful women who are watching this, I have written their WhatsApp number in the wall copy post. I might give you some more details for you to contact them and even see it for yourself. Like, I love this piece. I love this piece. Suppose I should try it, right? Okay. So let me quickly take out this one. I'm loving this one also. This is from the traditional collection. Okay, lovely. So guys, I'm wearing a plain black kurta today, and the earlier one was very classy. And as soon as I wear this one, am I wearing it?
The whole look will change. Yes.
Let's see. Oh, it looks like I'm off for a party or a wedding. So well prepared. So guys, which one do you like more? Okay, this one is not visible. Yeah, it's here. I'll show you from here. So this is the beautiful piece I was wearing. This is from the Pret range, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And this is the Indian range.
Yes. Traditional. Range.
Traditional,
That's
Indian
correct.
traditional range. Beautiful. And you've seen a lot of collection here. But before we really see more of the pieces in here, I would like to ask both of you, what exactly is the USP of this brand? Because there are beautiful jewelers outside. There are beautiful jewelry designers. Like a lot of our mothers are jewelry designers. And we have gemologists, we have real diamond sellers in the community. And this is amazing. So what exactly?
So
It's so
typically, our thought process started with our story. Unfortunately, not the best of stories, but we figured out that stress point was something that was very it was a stress point that was not faced every day, but when faced, it was paramount. So we worked on, like we said, is using the expertise of a diamond jeweler to make jewelry that is very affordable. And then we realized over the time, as we did more and more exhibitions, we realized that there were multiple problems that we thought we were solving.
Okay.
So like I said, the obvious is the finances. The second one is the fact that after you purchase diamond jewelry, it kind of just sits in the locker.
Yeah.
I mean, Natasha's
And I
necklace.
suppose you just told me it starts from 1,000 rupees till 25,000.
Yes.
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 It's amazing. So I suppose 1,000 something very, very,
Yeah.
very affordable.
Yes.
And I suppose your new collection is also starting from that range,
That's
right?
the new collection.
And we're also giving one lucky winner prize there. So it's very simple rules what you have to really adhere to. You have to go on Universe of Moms page, which is our parent page, or either on the Worksquare page, and go and share the live video link from there on your timeline. Keep the settings open, public viewing, and just use these hashtags what I've mentioned in there in the wall copy. And after you do that, we'll be selecting one lucky winner, and you'll get amazing piece from their new collection line. Okay, I suppose that's releasing in November?
November.
Yet to be released.
Yes.
Okay, so amazing. So you're not really getting anything which is really outdated and they want to give away. This is something very, very precious and something which they really boast about. That kind of piece you'll get it. Okay, so one lucky winner, stay hooked. Keep doing that after our live is over. Okay, so amazing, Tarun. So you were talking about the USP and you...
Yes.
Yeah.
So typically, like I said, the idea was to get wearability out of the jewelry. If you even afford it, it sits in the locker. I mean, Natasha's necklace that she's worn at our wedding is planned to wear at our children's wedding, and we have two children who's 4 and 1.
Okay.
I mean, for the next
Oh.
2, maybe 3 decades, they're just going to be sitting in a locker. So it doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, it's more like investment what you've
correct.
done for your children.
And what we wanted to do is, fashion keeps changing. In today's selfie world, Natasha and all women are very
Only wear,
conscious
yeah,
about.
new jewelry every
Yes,
time.
yes. It's something me as guys never understand. Like, I'll wear the same blue shirt every day and it makes no difference. It's something
That's
that...
why you don't have a men's range.
No, we don't have a men's range. We don't have a men's range. It's one of those reasons that made a lot of difference to us. Like, we realized that people were actually wearing it differently, were using it more, and with changing styling, changing
And I suppose
fashion.
there's such statement pieces, Tarun, what you have in here. I have tried 2 earrings and I see the look has completely changed.
Exactly.
So it's with
Yes.
the same dress you can experiment,
Yes.
fuse things. Oh,
Yes.
that's amazing.
So you can wear one piece and you can wear it multi-way. It's very versatile our jewelry.
Okay.
So I'm wearing the classic earrings.
Uh-huh.
So with this white shirt, I could even wear my
Traditional.
traditional bracelet.
bracelet and make it
plus
easy.
I can wear something from my new line, which is the metal line. So if
Okay.
I wear that, it just completely changes my look.
Yeah, as per the
As
occasion
per
you're
the
heading to.
occasion that I'm heading to.
Wow, lovely. So I suppose you guys are also very excited, and ST, you are saying it can't get any more better. Yeah, I know. Special offers for Momo. Vaishali, the best part is these are not just special offers for Momo. Their price range is very attractive. Their pieces are very quality driven. They have amazing collection, and I suppose it's forever there. It's not just for a limited period, so they keep evolving, keep innovating new pieces, but at the same time they stick on the brand's philosophy of giving you quality stuff at affordable price. And I heard about a term called destination jewelry. What is it? Now we know about destination weddings, we know about destination shopping. Now what is this destination
So
jewelry?
destination jewelry is basically wherever you go, you carry hassle-free jewelry,
Okay.
stress-free with your jewelry.
Okay.
So that's why it's destination jewelry.
Okay.
Whether it's
So
from
as you
your-
were talking about the customs thing and everything,
Yes.
so very easy to
Either you
travel
go for a
along.
wedding, or either you even want to go to office, or either you want to go somewhere. Sometimes you just want to remove your earrings and keep it. You might forget about it, but you won't feel very bad if you lost it.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Okay.
God forbid.
God
Never-
forbid.
Whatever happens.
Yes.
Don't
But-
want that.
And if we lose one earring, you guys can make it
Yes.
again for
Yes,
us, right?
we can. Yes.
Okay. And you said that 99% of your jewelry is silver.
Yes.
Yes.
So if you can just tell our people, only 1% which you have just
So the
launched
new
now.
collections,
Yeah.
the only one that we're launching, that we're experimenting with any forms of metal
Okay.
or materials that is not silver. We wanted to
Lovely.
give.
At the same time, it's very quirky and
Yes,
classy.
so this is just hoops. It's got,
Okay.
we've done rose gold, yellow gold, white gold.
Okay.
We've done some with textures, we've done some with Rexine. So they've got
Wow.
a little bit of, so the idea is completely experimental products, simple designs, not too fancy in the designs, but experimental in terms of the product range. But the idea was we want to try and use anything that's not silver.
But then, do you have a certificate which comes along with the silver jewelry?
So typically
How's the-
we can always get that organized. We don't keep that in stock. We are working towards making sure all the
Okay.
products actually have that in
Lovely.
range.
Mhm.
And
And most of our products are hallmarked. So
Okay,
you
they are
will
hallmark
see it that
products.
there's 9 to 5 silver written on
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
So
Oh, lovely. So it's a hallmark jewelry, guys, and it's silver. So you're not really, investing in any metal but silver.
Correct.
And I suppose all your designer range, pret range, classic range, all are silver only,
Yes,
right? Only the
yes.
new collection is metal.
Yes.
Yes.
And
which
that's
is called the
also-
Bohemian collection.
Oh, it's the Bohemian collection. So lovely. So yeah, it looks classy. Sonal, yeah, jewelry with a statement. Oh, you've got a line there. Okay, impressive. So I suppose the viewers are liking it. I would like to ask you one more question because there are a lot of entrepreneurs and startups. Especially in the mommy community, also we have a lot of mompreneurs
Yep.
who are also starting their own business line or experimenting with something which they have expertise in.
Correct.
What's your advice to them? Because you guys are a couple who have got into it. Generally, it's one of the person who's in a job or a more stable kind of a thing, and the other spouse takes this kind of a journey.
Correct.
So you both have come into it, and do you recommend that to?
Well,
people?
it's definitely a challenge. It's
Yeah.
it's not something that you would start a business and tomorrow you will start raking in all the money.
Yeah.
But the one thing that I think has worked in our favor and continuously will drive our innovation is sort of love and passion for what we do.
Okay.
I get up in the morning and I'm super excited about new experiments we can do with jewelry, new creations we can do. I get excited when, like, you're wearing a piece of jewelry and your look completely transformed with.
Yeah.
Like, I get excited about it. If that is key, like if you have that, you'll overcome the hardships.
Okay.
You'll overcome the fact that sometimes whatever obstacles you'll face. But if the end result and the passion is there, it's easy. Like it's not
If
something
you love
that.
what you do, you will get the results. I
Yeah.
think.
Then you're willing to
That's
wait.
the mantra.
That
Right.
is, that is. You're willing to wait also for a longer time. Like you're not going to say, okay, I started a business today and tomorrow I expect.
So you want to advise it to mompreneurs that if they put their hand into something,
Yeah.
they should give it some time to
Yes,
evolve
yes.
Yes.
and make sure that it grows.
Yeah,
with the time.
it's definitely, and I think today's day and age where we have access to social media, Instagram, Facebook
Yeah.
Lives,
Lot of
it makes
free
a
tools, yeah.
lot of free tools. The idea is to commit to the process, and the end result is.
And for moms, we should not get disheartened
Mhm.
because we have lots on our plate.
Mhm.
So if you're doing something, if you really like it, wait and you will get your result.
Yeah.
So here's a yummy mummy talking to you and giving us amazing advice. And I don't know, Tarun, if you are aware, because Natasha is already on the community, we have Good Bazaar there,
Yes.
which is a Wednesday market, which is an online market for these mothers to advertise on the gated community, and which is a free portal day to advertise their wear. So we have mothers who are selling khakras from their home,
Oh,
to
wow.
of course some others who are making handmade jewelry, to some big mompreneurs who are having their own travel companies and getting some amazing business. So I suppose why the businesses do amazingly well on Good Bazaar is because we are more of the buyers and less of the sellers. You know?
Correct.
So that way. So I suppose what Tarun is saying, you should use the social media tool to the optimum. Sitting at home, whatever you can do, and as you already have a lot on your plate, as Natasha has already guided you on that, and you know it, right, guys? So basically, whatever time you can take out for your startup or your business, try to spend that qualitative time on it, and don't give up. I'm sure if you keep trying, you will definitely achieve your dream. And Tarun, what have been my question? Like I've been wondering about it since a long time now. These jewelry designs, are you having a designer on board, or you are getting your designs from somewhere?
Typically, we do a lot of the designing in-house. We do the manufacturing in-house. Everything is done in-house. And that's why we can always...
The generation of jewelers.
The generation of jewelers. And that's the reasons why we can always offer services that if you are trading, you may not be able to get. If you're just buying from somewhere and selling, you may not be able to get. So we can do repairs. Like a question that was probably been asked is, if it's silver, we have the impression, does it get tarnished? So we give you an anti-tarnish cloth that at home you can use it and rub it. In case that's you're not being able to do it, or you've misplaced the cloth, you can always just call us up. We will send our team to pick up the product, repair the piece, polish it, make sure it's like brand new, and send it back to you for free. Depending on location to location. So certain places it is.
And are you selling it all over the world right now?
So we're working on an e-commerce platform. The site should be live in the next 15-20 days.
Lovely.
We're already at certain marketplaces, and certain stores already are deciding to keep our products. I can name a few if that's fine. We do Amara at Kemp's Corner, Julie by Julie.
Yeah, because one mother is already asking you where to see the jewelry.
So Julie by Julie is going to have it by the end of the week. There's a store at Balkeshwar called Two Divine. At Vile Pale there's at Sequence and Satwa at opposite Asha Parekh Hospital. So it's all over the city. We're trying to get all over. We're trying to work.
So if they want to see the collection right now, they can go to these stores, and very soon they can see it on the e-commerce website.
Yes.
So lovely. And you are okay supplying it all over India right now?
Yes.
Yeah?
We've just closed the deal in Delhi as well.
Wow.
So
Delhi moms, are you watching it? No, they might not be watching it here, but they might be watching us on Unimo Universal Moms.
Correct.
So mothers, Delhi, and I suppose Delhi people will love this because they'll get to flaunt it every day. My Delhi moms are on a lookout of something like this, which is so affordable and ever changing, and they can change it with the fashion every day. So amazing. So I suppose Tarun and Natasha, it was a pleasure to have you both in here. And other than having you both, it was more wonderful to have these kind of beautiful pieces in here. And our mothers are quite excited with it. They are saying, okay, so Vanita saying keep a contest for jewelry designing. The best design gets that face free. Okay, so Vanita, you are giving them a lot of ideas, and I'm sure I'll pass it on to them. But right now, the kind of jewelry designs they have it right now, it's beautiful, and I don't think anybody can do justice to this kind of designs. Yeah, can you make something beautiful than this? If yes, then please send in an entry. So I love this also. Okay, so amazing. And if you see the bracelet I'm wearing, it's a tennis bracelet, and it's with Swarovski. And she just told me it's like the smaller one is 7,500 only, and this one what I'm wearing is around 10. So I suppose it's very affordable and very beautiful. And again I'm stressing on the word affordable, not because we Indians, we love our gold, we love our diamonds, and we keep investing in these things, but with the everyday changing fashion, and we want to wear and experiment new jewelry every day. So this kind of I suppose range would give us that freedom to choose the statement piece we want to choose with the costume we are wearing today or the occasion we are heading to. So along with that note, I feel it was wonderful to have you guys. It's always a pleasure to meet this kind of enterprising people, and thank you for inspiring our mothers, and I'm sure your brand will reach great heights. And Unimo Momo is wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
And we're looking forward to your e-commerce website.
Yes. I mean, we've got a great reaction. I can see like tons and tons of comments.
Yeah,
I think
there
we
are
should
already 1,300
update
views. And around 46 comments already.
Yeah.
Okay,
I think we should.
Three.
Yeah, instead of one, then let's do 3 prizes.
Oh my God, what are you saying? Even I should participate. Okay.
It's a great pleasure. We get a lot of enthusiasm and courage to move on when the pieces are appreciated, and I'm loving the response. So I think it's only our way of giving back. It helps. So we'll do 3 pieces, 3.
Okay, so if you've heard it right, guys, Tarun and Natasha has been very gracious to give us not just one lucky winner statement jewelry. They're announcing it for 3 people now. So guys, the rules are very simple. Just share the live video link from Universe of Moms page or from the Worksquare page on your timelines. Put the settings open so that we have an access to see that, and don't forget the hashtags I've put in there. Add those hashtags in your post and your work is done. And we'll make sure that we identify the 3 amazing lucky winners, and we send over the beautiful piece to you very soon. So I suppose we can keep this open till tomorrow. So keep sharing, keep spreading more love, and keep supporting these kind of beautiful entrepreneurs we have around us. So thank you, Tarun. Thank you,
so much.
Natasha.
Thank you.
And I love this. I suppose I should also take it home. I'm just going on the table with them to buy my choice of pieces, and I'll wear it next time on the live. And if you like it, let me know if it was worth the buy. Okay. So bye, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching us always.